The wheels are mounted on a solid, pivoting shaft with a greasable bushing and float independently from one another. The independent rake wheel flotation design allows for even flotation of each rake wheel across varying ground conditions. The benefit is minimized stubble damage, lower ash content, and less wear on rake wheels when compared to a tandem design where two rake wheels share a common rake arm. The spring flotation is easily adjustable. To increase flotation or to make the rake wheels pressure lighter on the ground, the spring can be compressed by turning the adjustment collar at the end of the spring. The opposite is true for decreased flotation or to make the rake wheel pressure heavier on the ground.